Hi, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm here to show you about the uses of tracing wheel, how to use it and what are the uses. Okay, this is a tracing wheel which is used to trace the seams on the both sides. Okay, on one side we will mark the seam so that other side we don't have the reference. So to give the reference on the other side we use this tracing wheel like this. Just press it like this and see we will get the dots over the other side. Okay, then we can mark with our chalk. Okay, I'm marking the side seam also. I'm pressing. We should place the finger like this in this and give the pressure, and I'm marking 3 points over here like this on the side seam and turning it around. See, we can see the 3 points over here like this. 1, 2 and 3 points. Okay, now with the help of the marker I'll mark it out with the scale. This 3 point I marked it on the both side. Now I'll get the reference lines, and for the neck also same process I am following. No need to trace the neck, just we can cut it out. For showing you how to trace it, I am giving this demo. See, the other side was drawn like this. Okay, this is how we will use the tracing wheel to trace the design on both sides. We can easily trace it with help of this tracing wheel. Thank you.